Hello, good day. My name is Chioma Okafo. Today, I will be talking about Facebook ads. Facebook ads. Now, in social media marketing, Facebook tends to be one of the highest in adverts. Facebook happens to be one of the highest in adverts. Facebook has over 20 million active Nigerians. Over 20 million active Nigerians. Now, with such population, tell me how you post an ad for your business, for your product, and it will not sell. Is it possible? Except you did not target well. With over 20 million active Nigerians on Facebook, there is no way 1 or 2 or 3 or 4% out of millions of people will not be interested in your product, will not be interested in your adverts, except you did not target well. So that's one of the things I'll be teaching you, how to target well. There are different types of adverts. There are different types of campaign on Facebook. You have to know what you're doing, the one you want, and the one that will work for you. All right, I'm not just doing it randomly. I'm not just testing anyone you see. So that's what I will be explaining to you. All right. Now we have a lot. We have rich ads, we have brand awareness, we have video views, we have app installs, we have engagement ads, we have messages, we have lead generation, we have store traffic, we have catalog sales. All right, all of these are different types of campaign and they are useful in their own ways. All right, they are useful. I will be teaching you what you need to know. All right, so let's go to Facebook. First, let's click on awareness. Now, Facebook has actually combined some of them. It's not that lengthy like we saw, but like 3 in 1, 2 in 1, like that, because some are serving almost same purpose, but not same. All right, so let's click on awareness. Now, in this awareness, you can create your ad for reach, ads, for brand awareness, and for video views. Now, for reach ads, the essence of creating this awareness is just to reach out to a lot of persons. Just a lot, you just want to reach out to them. And it's more or less like whatever they do is not compulsory they must buy what you're selling. It's not compulsory they must contact you, but all you're interested in is just to reach out to people, but with a specific kind of persons. You can specify the persons you want to reach out to. All right, under same awareness, we have brand awareness. Now, on Facebook, you have a page. You have a page with a business. You have a business page on Facebook. Now, the essence of this ad is for you to reach out to people, for them to know your brand, for them to know your brand, for them to be aware, for them to know that business. All right, that's the essence of this. Just to reach out, let people know. Now, see what Facebook wrote. You say, for awareness, show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. That's just it. If I have a page, if I have a business page on Facebook and I do such ads, it's just for people to, when they see this, they'll say, oh, this is so and so brand. All right, that's the sense of creating this awareness. People who will remember my brand. All right, then for video views, maybe for comedians, for skit writers and all of that. Now you have your own page. and you decide to do a video, you decided to do what's it called, a comedy. Now the essence of this video views is for you, is for people to see your video. That's just it. For that's why in some ads you see a lot of views, you see thousands of views. It's because of the ad they created. And definitely Facebook will send it to people who are interested in viewing videos. All right, that's the essence of this awareness. Then the next one we are having from here is traffic. Traffic, more or less like some persons who are into blogging. Example, blogging should be a perfect example for it. They have their website and they have written out something. They will have to do an ad using traffic so that people will visit their website more. Click that link, click their links and all of that. They just need traffic to that website or to their landing page. Now see what Facebook will send people to a destination like your website, app, or Facebook event. You understand? So that's the essence of this traffic. You're sending people to your website, you're sending people to a destination where you want a lot of people to visit. So when you need something like that, you go on traffic, right? Then the next one is engagement. Engagement. This is also good for messages, for video views and post engagement. Now it's possible you have posted something or you have posted a video and you need people to like, you need people to comment, you need people to react to it. This is what you should use. Do you understand? Engagement. All right, so let's read what they wrote here. Said get more messages, video views, post engagement, page likes, or event responses. All right, this kind of engagement. Maybe you also have an ad. You also created an ad of a business, but if it's business with a bigger money, I wouldn't advise, because people will bombard you with messages. They will bombard you with messages. So if you can handle it, fine. All right, so in this engagement ad, it's more or less like you want people to comment, you want people to react, you want people to share, you want people to like. All right, that's just what this is all about. Your comedy, your skits, your videos, or your business, however. All right, so the next one is leads. Leads. Now for these leads, it's more or less like, this is good for those who are into practice. All right, because you will reach a reasonable numbers of persons. And with that also, Facebook has a form for it that is being created, like an instant form that is being created. All right, and those forms will either put their names, there are some details that you will need. So for people to start filling that and submit, you will know they're truly interested in that property. All right, so let's read what they wrote. It said leads, collect lead for your business or brand, good for instant forms, messages, calls, sign up. Lead, Facebook will give you instant form. So the people would like to feel and get in touch with you. So that's just it. Then the next one is app promotion. App promotion for developers. App developers, and you want people to download your app, maybe from Play Store or from wherever to download it. This is the best ad for you. Okay, Facebook wrote, find new people to install your app and continue using it. Exactly. For them to install the app, to download your app, maybe from Play Store or from wherever you have placed it, people to install it and use it. This is the best ad for you. All right. All right, then the last one is sales. Sales. Under sales, you have conversion, you have catalog sales, you have messages. There are some people that their ad, it's more or less like Their business is more or less like when they create an ad, they want people to chat them up on WhatsApp, on messengers, maybe to find out more about the business. This is where you have it. If you can handle the messages. And also the catalog sales. You've seen something like Facebook marketing, like a marketing place where you display a lot of pictures of a product. This is where you will have it. Then the list. Now the last is conversion. 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 Okay. What is Facebook for? Let's say find people likely to purchase your product or services. All right. People likely to purchase your products or services. For conversion, there are a lot in it. People prefer this the more because Facebook will send the ad to people that will be interested in your product, and the link, your landing page, they will have to go there, if possible, chat you and place order. And that's where the conversion comes in. All right, so I'm still going to be, this is an introduction. I'm still going to be teaching more about it, show you how to go to all of this one after the other. People prefer, especially people who sells products and all of that, they prefer conversion ads because Facebook will have to send it to people that must click that landing page link, that must visit the landing page and see what is there. All right, so people prefer conversion ads than anything. Leads ad is also important. All right, so that's just it. This is just an introduction. I'll be showing you on how to go about all of this one after the other. All right, thank you very much. God bless you.